Okay, in the dashboard of your site right here, now you want to customize your site. You can go right here to appearance, and where it says customize, you can customize it. Okay, and your site title and tagline. Remember, I told you not to worry about it. You could adjust it in here. So now we're going to start filling this in. Cashback travel flights. And then instead of being my WordPress blog, special deals on travel flights. Special deals on travel flights. And then the base color, you can add your base color in here, whichever color default you want. Let's add the let's leave that default. The background color, let's select something over here. Snazzy it up just a little bit. Okay, I'll probably change this around 5 times in the next 3 or 4 days. That's okay. If I can find something here I like just a little bit. That dark red like that. Let's just do that dark red, make it pop a little bit. Yeah, that'll be good. And then we'll leave that like that. Okay, header image right here. It tells you the size of your recommended header image, so you can create a header image and install that right here. And a background image, if you want background images to this color, you can just install it right here and have that created. And then the widgets, to the widget area. Okay, when you go into widgets here, if you go to add a widget right here, when you use text, this one right here, when you use the text, that's what you will use to paste your banner codes in with. Okay, your HTML code for your banners, that's what you'll use right there. And the rest of this, you can just move it around. You can see what it's doing over here. Okay, if you want to take the search out, you can take the search out, just remove it, and it'll go away. See, it left. And so it's really easy to work with this. You can just add widgets and just play around with it, and you can see exactly how you want all of this to appear. You can, like, recent posts, recent comments are here. If you want to put recent posts underneath recent comments, just slide it up and see it changes right there. Okay, I'm going to go into a whole bunch on setting up for WordPress. It's very easy. If you get into a problem or something, just private messages. And I also have people that I can help to guide you along with this or get it done for you. We'll work out something for you. Send me a private message if you get into trouble, and we'll see what we can do for you. Okay, let's move on.